Imagine if you could regrow your limbs or even parts of your brain after injury. Today, we're exploring the incredible regeneration abilities of the Mexican axolotl, a creature that might hold the key to unlocking such capabilities in humans. Found in the lakes of Mexico, the axolotl, known for its feathery gills and perpetual smile, can regenerate almost any part of its body. This includes limbs, spinal cord, heart tissue, and even parts of its brain. Scientists have long been fascinated by the axolotl's ability to regenerate. Unlike humans who can only repair skin, the axolotl demonstrates a remarkable capability that could revolutionize regenerative medicine. Researchers have identified genetic mechanisms behind this phenomenon. These studies help explain why some animals can regenerate body parts while others cannot, potentially unlocking new pathways for human healing. The axolotl's regenerative powers are so advanced that they can even rebuild their spinal cords and brain tissue. This ability is a subject of intense study in the field of regenerative medicine. By understanding how animals regenerate, scientists hope to one day apply these principles to human healing. This could lead to treatments for injuries and diseases that currently have no cure. The axolotl's regenerative abilities are not just fascinating, they represent a potential leap forward in medical science. Imagine a future where lost limbs or damaged organs can be regenerated with the same ease as healing a paper cut. What aspect of the axolotl's regeneration ability most fascinates you? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into incredible science topics.